liking the spirit of this stadium right now. So ladies and Sinaiterians, here to charm us all with his presence. Adoyan Timaysa kagagapuan na bisita tayo itatarami. And he is mostly known for his stint as a celebrity housemate of Pinoy Big Brother Community Celebrity Season 10. Please welcome with a resounding applause, actor, singer, songwriter, and composer, Mr. Kyle Dino Magno Estrada, better known as KD Estrada!
Magandang gabi! Good evening, ladies.
There's something about the way she moves. I can't figure it out. There's something about her. Oh, there's something about kind of woman that wants you but don't need you. Hey, I can't figure it out. There's something about her. 'Cause she walk like a boss, talk like a boss, manicure nails and set the pedicure around. She's fly effortlessly. She move like a boss, do what a boss do. She got me thinking about getting involved. That's the kind of girl I need. She got her own thing. That's why I love her. Miss Independent. Won't you come and spend a little time? She got her own thing. That's why I love her. Miss Independent. Oh, the way we shine. Miss Independent. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, there's something about kind of woman that can't do for herself. Look at her and she makes me proud. There's something about her. Something oh so sexy about woman that don't even need my hand. She said she got it, no doubt. There's something about her. She work like a boss, play like a boss. Car in the crib, she bout to pay them both up. And the bills are paid on time. She move like a boss, do what a boss. Oh, she got me thinking about getting involved. That's the kind of girl on my mind. She got her own thing. That's why I love her. Miss Independent. Won't you come and spend a little time? She got her own thing. That's why I love her. Miss Independent. Oh, the way we shine. Miss Independent. Her favorite thing to say, don't worry, I got it. And everything that she got, best believe that she bought it. She gon' steal my heart, ain't no doubt about it. Said you're everything I need. You're everything I need. She got her own thing. That's why I love her. Miss Independent. Won't you come and spend a little time? She got her own thing. That's why I love her. Miss Independent. Oh, the way we shine. Miss Independent. That's why I love her. Miss Independent. Thank you po.
Hello, magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Thank you to our lovely candidates. You all look great tonight. But I think, yeah. Exit na po, okay. Hello. Hello po, mga nandito sa gilid. Hello po to all of our guests and to all of our judges. Good evening po sa inyong lahat. Okay lang, kantahan ko pa kayo ng isa pang kanta. Okay lang. Sige. Ano yun? Ano yun? Shoutout kay, sino? Glennis? Hello, Glennis. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Okay, kung alam niyo yung kanta, sabayin niyo lang ako. Di man araw-araw na nagkakati, ilang beses na rin tayong humihiling. Di na mabilang ang ating mga tampuhan. Away ba't di natin di na namamalayan? Oh, eto tayo, ngunit sa huli, palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo hanggang sa huli. Palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo, ulit-ulitin man. Nais kong malaman mo, iyo ako. Palagi palagi pabalikan man ang hirap, luhat lahat. Sige. Ikaw ang paborito kong desisyonan. Pag napaligiran ang ingay at ng gulo, di ko pagpapalit ngiti mo sa mundo. Oh, eto tayo. Everybody now. Sa huli, palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo. Mahal sa huli, palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo, ulit-ulitin man. Nais kong malaman mo, iyo ako. Sa pagdating ng ating pinagkatkinto, sumati man kaputin, ikaw pa rin aking bituin. Nagtatangi kong dalangin kung sa huling siglo. Sa huli, palagi babalik pa rin sa yakap mo. Mahal sa huli, palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo,
Ladies and gentlemen, that was Mr. Katie Estrada. But before anything else, Sinaitanians, this is also a birthday celebration of Mr. Katie Estrada.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Let's all sing a happy birthday song.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Thank you so much po. Wow. Thank you. Maraming salamat po. Wow. Thank you. Thank you po. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Hindi ako inform may palagito pala.
And we have also the fans of Katie Estrada all the way from Manila. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you. Thank you po. Thank you. Ay, picture tayo dito. Thank you.
And maraming salamat po. And of course, despite of his birthday celebration, Katie Estrada came here to celebrate with us. Maraming salamat po. Still, dahil kahit birthday po ng ating celebrity guest, he was able to come here to serenade our candidates and to entertain us all.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat.
Thank you po. Thank you. Wow. Wow, thank you. Thank you so much po. Thank you. Thank you for letting me. Pero bago ko pong simulan yung next song ko po, gusto ko lang pong pasalamatan, of course, yung mga nag-invite po sa akin. Si Mayor Glenn Guzman, Vice Mayor Shian Guzman, and yung SBM members, Romel Dayoan, Marlon Ines, Marlori Remolacio, Jaco Rafael Agdepa, King Dave Guzman, Wilhelmina Ibanez, Leopoldo Florentino Rosete, LNB Press, Dariel Sabeliano, NSK Press, Kent Lil John Barbosa. Okay lang, kantahan ko pa kayo ng isa pang kanta. Isa, last na. Okay. Let's go! Last. Awit sa akin, ilang saya na sa akin, mga kwentong barato tungkol sa'yo at sa ligaya iyong hatid sa aking buhay. Tuloy ang bida sa isipan ko ikaw. Sa umaga't sa gabi, sa bawat minuto lumilipas, hinahanap-hanap kita, hinahanap-hanap kita. Sa isip at panaginip, bawat pagpihit ng tadhana, hinahanap-hanap kita.
sabik sa'yo. Kahit maghapon na tayo'y magkasama, parang telesine. Ang ating ending, hatid sa bahay, sabay good night, sabay may kiss, sabay bye bye. Oh, sumagat sa gabi, sa bawat minuto lumilipas, nahanap-hanap kita, nahanap-hanap kita. Sa isip at panaginip, bawat pagpikit ng tadhana, nahanap-hanap kita. Kamusta kayo dyan sa likod? Hello! Oh, sa umagat sa gabi, sa bawat minuto lumilipas, hinahanap-hanap kita, hinahanap-hanap kita. Sa isip at panaginip, bawat pagpikit ng tadhana, hinahanap-hanap kita, hinahanap-hanap kita. School sa club ceremony hanggang umiyak malaro, hanap-hanap kita, hinahanap-hanap kita. Hanggang magkaanak kayo at magkatuluyan balang araw, hahanap-hanapin ka, hahanap-hanapin ka. Thank you po, thank you so much. Ingat po kayo. Have a great night. Good night, God bless. Mahal na mahal ko kayo, thank you, love you.
Maraming salamat once again, Mr.